A school library. The librarian takes care of the library. She arranges books in the order. She writes the name of books, issue and return date of the books in the register. She helps the people find the book they want. She gets new books for the library. We help the librarian. When we are quiet, we help her. When we use books carefully, Hassan see a book that he like in the library. He want to take the book home. Hassan goes to the librarian and says, I want to take the book home. The librarian says, you want take the book home. You will have the first take a library card. The librarian gives Hassan a slip of paper. He will have to write his name on it. His mother will have to write her name on the slip of paper too. Hassan takes the slip of paper home. His mother reads the library rules to get a book. Hassan's mother writes her name on the slip of paper. She will also slip him obey the rules. Hassan takes the slip of the librarian. She issues a library card to him. No, the many takes home any library books. No, Hassan know how to get a library book. He will have to take a library card. Then he may take home any book he wants. A date is put inside the cover of the book. Is not returned in time, a couple will have to pay a fine. People must take good care of the library books.